Do you want to learn how to sign documents on your iPhone? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process step by step. However, please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes in this process. Let's begin. Allow me to show you a quick and efficient way to sign documents directly on your iPhone without the need to download any additional apps. First, open the document that you wish to sign. For instance, if I open this PDF file, it can be marked up. To access this option, tap on the icon located here. Upon tapping, it allows you to make annotations. However, there's another essential option denoted by a plus sign. This option grants you the ability to add a signature. To sign the document, use your finger to create your signature within the designated space. Once you're satisfied with your signature, press Done. The signature will be placed within the document. You can then adjust its size by selecting the corners and resizing it. Feel free to move the signature to your desired location, just as I'm doing here. When you're content with the placement and size of the signature, press Done. Once you've performed this process once, your signature will be saved and readily available. To sign another document, simply select your saved signature, making the process even more convenient. As you can see, it's remarkably easy to sign a document on your iPhone using this method. We truly hope you found our video helpful. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Should you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.